Hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday, Newsday. It is Thanksgiving week. I am Misty Down. I'm excited to be here with you today. I'm just by myself here on this side of the camera with my beautiful niece, Hannah, over there running the camera and asking questions. So it's always nice to spend a little bit of time with her. But yeah, I hope you guys are, gearing up and ready for Thanksgiving. It's going to be here before you know it. I usually host at my house, but this year I am not hosting. Jake's cousin Andy invited us to go join them out of state for Thanksgiving. Yes, and we're actually really looking forward to that. And so we're going to do a little family backpacking trip.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yep.
Oh, that's going to be so much fun.
I know. So we'll do a little backpacking, and then we'll get to enjoy some time together at the cabin and eat some yummy food.
Nice.
And so if you guys follow me on my Instagram, it's just at Misty Doan. If you follow me over there, I shared over the weekend the other day, I don't know how many days ago, but I shared a baked macaroni and cheese recipe that I was working on. I've been trying to perfect before Thanksgiving, and a bunch of you asked for that recipe, so we're going to link it here for you. Hannah told me we could figure out how to do that.
We will try, for sure.
We will try our best, so I'll link that below. It was really great. My only advice is don't be like me and add extra cheese, because there can be too much cheese and it gets to be a little grainy instead of smooth and creamy.
Yes.
But the flavor was just perfect. So I hope you enjoy that. But let's see, what else? I just had a tutorial released yesterday. And so that is for some simple quilted placemats. And I actually really enjoyed making those. I figured out some good tips and tricks along the way to make it go faster. So even if you want to whip some up for your Thanksgiving table, you probably still have time. They don't take too long at all. So you can check that out. And then I know Jenny and Natalie are together for this Friday's tutorial. It is called Mrs. Smith's Favorites. So you can watch that too. It'll be super fun to have them teach that together.
Yeah. We also, sorry, one second.
You're okay.
Doorbuster dude.
Oh yes, that's right.
Yes.
My dad is our doorbuster dude. So if you have been to town, just in general or to birthday bash, you've probably met my dad. That's BJ. And
he is a hoot.
He is so much fun. He is just as wonderful as he seems in those videos. He really is the best. And so it's been super fun to see you guys cheering him on as our new doorbuster dude, because he's having a lot of fun doing that. And I think people are surprised at how much he knows about quilting.
Oh, he's so smart. He knows so much.
He really does. And, I learned to sew from his mom, my grandma Sandy. And so he grew up all around sewing and quilting. And now he works at the company and has been here for, a long time now. And he used to go to all the quilt shows, and he works in our theater and helps with all of our events here. So he's awesome. And now you get to know him as your doorbuster dude. So he's bringing you all those deals between now and December 1st, I think.
Yep,
so.
December 1st is when Doorbuster Dude goes away.
Oh, for a little while. We will miss him. We'll see if we can convince him to bring him back.
I know. And we have Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals coming up, so be sure to be on the lookout for any good deals, which Doorbuster Dude is actually kind of the prep, like the lead up to Black Friday deals. So there have been so many good deals. Be sure to be watching out for those.
Absolutely.
So what are your plans for Christmas?
Oh, so for Christmas, I'm hoping that it's just a nice quiet time at home, and then of course getting together with family. We have a lot of really fun Swedish traditions that are around Christmas time. And so on December 13th actually is one of my favorites. We celebrate Santa Lucia. And so that is where the oldest girl in the family puts on her white nightgown and a crown of candles and delivers hot cocoa and baked goods. And it's, to help celebrate the return of the light. Like the days only get brighter from there. And so it's just the sweetest. My daughter has been doing it since she was a tiny little girl, and I know Hannah has done it many times as well.
That is one of my most favorites. I didn't have the best relationship with my brothers growing up because, we were kids and we're siblings, we fight.
Yes.
But that I loved. It didn't matter if I was in the biggest fight of my life at the time with them. I would get up every morning at the butt crack of dawn, make some cinnamon rolls, make some hot cocoa, bring it to them. Usually the tradition is with coffee, but We don't drink coffee.
We do cocoa.
Yeah, we do cocoa. The marshmallows just really wake you up in the morning.
That's right. Yeah. So we do cocoa, and then in Sweden they make saffron buns, but that's hard to find around here, and so we make just cinnamon rolls. But that's our nod. So of course we'll do that, and I feel like once Santa Lucia is here, that's when Christmas has like officially begun.
Yes.
It really feels real.
Yes.
And so then from there, my kids and I, like our family, we always do handmade gifts for each other. And so that's something that is one of our absolute favorite Christmas traditions. And so we'll be frantically working on those last minute handmade gift items for each other. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet this year. So hopefully I figure it out soon.
I was just about to ask, I was like, do you have any like ideas?
Well, I mean, I could make them a quilt, which, believe it or not, I have never done as their Christmas gift. So surprising. So, I'm just running out of time,
Yes.
for quilts for everybody between now and then. But never say never. I could do it.
Totally.
But yeah, the kids have done the funnest things. I think that's been really cool to watch as they've grown up from the time they were tiny and they would do the simplest little gifts for each other to now they get really, really intricate and unique, and it's just been a lot of fun.
Well, your kids are so cool. I mean, they made their Halloween costumes.
It's
true. Doesn't get much cooler than that. Like Gideon showed up in a fully decked out Batman.
He did.
It was amazing.
He built all his armor. He did all of it. It was really cool.
So. I just have loved, honestly, like as a cousin, just watching their creativity and like how like just the things that they can do. They're just so cool. They just come up with the most amazing things.
They are great kids, and so we really enjoy that. And then besides that, I feel like our other Christmas traditions are just pretty normal. Like we just love to spend time with our family and sing Christmas songs and give back where we can and just enjoy the meaning of the season. So
yeah. I'm really curious to kind of see how Christmas is going to look with Grandma and Grandpa being gone, because like we go to their house every year for Christmas Eve and we sing. We'll sit all of us in this living room, and now that our family's getting bigger and the kids
just pile in
are
on
getting
top
bigger,
of each other.
We are on top of each other, but we would sing, and I loved that part the most. Honestly, was just anybody just started breaking out into a Christmas song, and we'd all start joining, and it was.
I hope that we still do that.
I hope we do that too.
Yeah, I hope so too. So hopefully we get everyone together, whether it's Katie, who is house sitting for Ginny and Ron, whether she invites us all into the house or we go into one of our other houses. Hopefully we're all together and still singing Christmas songs. I think that would make Ginny and Ron very happy.
I think so too.
So that's, I feel like, should be a goal.
Yes. 100%.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Few of your favorite Christmas traditions?
Well, I mean, I feel like I pretty much Santa Lucia is my big one, and then the homemade gifts. I think those are my two biggest traditions that I love. I'm trying to think. The other thing that's really fun, and this is kind of another nod to those Swedish traditions that we do. The little Swedish gnomes are called tomtegubbas, and so
tomtegubbas?
Yeah, tomtegubbas, tomtes. You might hear them referred to.
Cute.
But Jake is very into them because they're kind of mischievous. And
yes.
so our tomtas at our house hide the stockings from the kids. And so on Christmas morning, there's a little riddle that's left where their stocking used to be.
Oh my gosh.
And they have to then solve the riddle to find their stocking. And they're not allowed to open any presents until everyone has found their stocking.
That is so fun.
Yeah, and then it goes from there. So that's a really fun one too. I love that.
I used to have this book. I don't remember which of my great grandmas gave it to me. It was either Grandma Ingrid or it was Grandma Fish.
Okay.
And they had given me this book. I actually could be wrong. It could even be Grandma Jenny. I don't know. someone who loves me who gave me this book for like my 5th birthday, and it was about this little Swedish girl. Her name was Hannah.
Oh.
And she had to deal with all the gnomes just being nuisances, just
naughty.
being so mischievous.
Being a little naughty.
And I don't know where that book is, but man, I miss it because I used to read that every Christmas.
Oh, that's really sweet. Well, hopefully we can find another copy then.
I know.
Because you need that.
I don't even remember what it's called anymore.
Oh, well.
But
we'll have to track it down. So.
Yes.
So anyway, that's all I have. I hope you guys have had a wonderful day and you enjoy this beautiful week. Have a fabulous Thanksgiving. You guys are the best, and we will be back next Tuesday. Someone will. See ya.